Have you ever wondered how Sherpas manage to thrive in some of the highest altitudes on Earth? A fascinating new study led by Dr. Trevor, a physiologist from Mount Royal University, sheds light on this mystery. The research reveals the crucial role of the kidneys in helping humans adapt to high-altitude environments and highlights why Sherpas are far better suited to these extreme conditions than the rest of us. Dr. Day's research, published in a paper titled Comparing Integrative Ventilatory and Renal Acid-Base Acclimatization in Lowlanders and Tibetan Highlanders During Ascent to 4,300 Meters, comes from an international expedition to the Nepal Himalaya. The study investigated how the body adjusts to reduced oxygen and changing blood acidity during gradual ascents. This process, called acclimatization, was compared between lowlanders and Tibetan Highlanders, more commonly known as Sherpas. When ascending to 4,300 meters, Sherpa participants showed a faster and more significant blood acid-base response compared to lowlanders. In simple terms, their bodies are much better at balancing blood pH levels at high altitudes. While Sherpas had fully compensated blood pH levels at 4,300 meters, lowlanders were still struggling with alkalosis, an imbalance in their blood chemistry caused by altitude. This difference is primarily due to the kidney's role in maintaining balance. Sherpa's kidneys work more effectively, aiding in faster adaptation to low oxygen and harsh conditions. This unique physiological trait points to the evolutionary pressures Sherpa populations have faced for generations, developing these extraordinary adaptations. As more people live and travel to high-altitude destinations, understanding how our bodies adjust becomes increasingly important. This knowledge isn't just fascinating, it has practical applications. For instance, it could help develop better strategies to prevent altitude sickness or assist in medical care for high-altitude expeditions. Dr. Day explains, high-altitude exposure challenges blood oxygenation and acid-base balance. Respiratory and renal systems are key to overcoming this. Studying populations like Sherpas, who are naturally adapted, provides invaluable insights into these mechanisms. The study not only helps us understand human adaptation, but also explores the evolutionary role that ancestral Tibetan Highlanders' kidney function might have played in their survival at altitude. This groundbreaking study wouldn't have been possible without the collaboration of an international team, including MRU undergraduate researchers Nicole Johnson, Jessica Dickinson, Benjamin McKenzie, and Rodion Isakovich, along with faculty member Dr. Nick Strzelkowski. By comparing Sherpas and lowlanders, this research adds a vital piece to the puzzle of human physiology and evolution. It underscores how integrated our respiratory and renal systems are in adapting to extreme environments, offering new directions for further studies on how humans survive in challenging conditions. So next time you think about scaling a mountain, remember, the Sherpas have nature on their side.